So that's the only latch on this hood, which latches right here. There was a bracket and some hardware that came from here to here somewhere, and then it was supposed to attach at these 2 points, but I lost that bracket while I was waiting for the parts. I actually got the parts sent out twice. The first time they sent me the wrong ones, and that took a while. Finally, after I got the right parts, I had lost all the little baggie with all the parts, the hardware. So that's why I only have one latch on this thing. Hope that helps.